Good morning class. Hope you people are fine here. Now today in this class we will be doing the revision of the chapter which is based on heat. First of all, let us know what is the meaning of the term heat here. Heat is a form of energy which we can feel. Now the SI unit of heat is joule. Second thing is, in this chapter we will be discussing about the term temperature. What is the meaning of the term temperature? Temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of a body. By the term temperature, we can be able to say how much hot or how much cold the body is. Now there is an instrument which is used to measure the temperature of the body. It is thermometer, and the instrument which we use to measure the temperature of the human body is known as the clinical thermometer here. Now what is the normal body temperature? Normal body temperature in terms of degree Celsius is 37 degrees Celsius, and in terms of degree Fahrenheit it is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. We will be discussing about the three types of scale. First is known as the Celsius scale, second is known as the Fahrenheit scale, and third one is the Kelvin scale. Now in the Celsius scale, the steam point is 100 degrees Celsius and the ice point is 0 degrees Celsius. In the Fahrenheit scale, the ice point is 32 degree Fahrenheit and the steam point is 212 degree Fahrenheit. In the Kelvin scale, the ice point is 273 Kelvin and the steam point is 373 Kelvin. Now we will be discussing about what is the meaning of the term thermal expansion. What is thermal expansion here? The expansion of the substance when it is heated, that is known as thermal expansion. Now in the same chapter we will be discussing about the three methods of transfer of heat. The very first method is known as conduction. Second method is known as convection, and the third method is known as radiation. Now what is the meaning of the term conduction? Conduction is the process of transfer of heat from the hot end to the cold end of the particle to particle of the medium. And what is convection? Convection is the process of transfer of heat by the actual movement of the particles. Here the particles are actually moving from means the particles, suppose we people are boiling out water, then what happens, the particles which are getting up heat energy, they will become lighter and they will be rising up, and the hot particles which are at the surface, they will be coming down to take its place. So convection is the process of transfer of heat by the actual movement of the particle. Now what is radiation? Radiation is the process of transfer of heat in which heat directly passes from the hot body towards the cold body without affecting the medium. In this one, we will be discussing about the topic good and bad conductors. What are good conductors? Substances which allow the heat to pass through them easily. They are coming in the category of good conductors. And the substances which do not allow the heat to pass through them easily, they are known as insulators, or they are coming in the category of bad conductors. Now we will be discussing about some of the numericals which are based upon when we have to just convert out the Celsius to Fahrenheit or the Fahrenheit to Celsius scale. We are having one formula, that is C upon 5 is equal to F minus 32 upon 9. Let us do the first example here. First solved example says, in this one we have to convert out 10 degrees Celsius in, very first part is degree Fahrenheit and the second part is in Kelvin. Now what is the method? We will be applying out the same formula. Write down here C upon 5 is equal to F minus 32 upon 9. The temperature is being given in degrees Celsius. So this temperature you have to substitute in the value of C. Write here 10 upon 5 is equal to F minus 32 upon 9. Now what you can do, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, and after this you can cross multiply the terms. This can be written as F minus 32 is equal to 18. Then what happened? F is equal to, take this minus 32 on the right hand side, it will become positive 18 plus 32. So what is the value of F? F is coming equal to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Now in the same question, the same temperature has to be converted into Kelvin. What is the formula? Formula says here T, whatever the temperature is being given in the degree Celsius here, if you have to convert out the same temperature in Kelvin, so this temperature here 10 plus 273, it will be changed into Kelvin scale. The temperature is coming equal to 283 Kelvin. Again, let me explain you the question one more time. If you have to change out the degree Celsius in degree Fahrenheit or the Kelvin, you have to make use of the formula C upon 5 is equal to F minus 32 upon 9. Substitute the value of C here as 10. Cross multiply the numbers and get the answer in terms of Fahrenheit as 50 degree Fahrenheit. If you have to convert out the same temperature which is given in the degree Celsius here to change out into Kelvin, in Kelvin scale, you need not to write down the degree sign here. Whatever the temperature is being given in Celsius scale, to that temperature you add out 273. That will be changed out into Kelvin scale. Now, same formula we have to use out in changing out from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Now, the second example that they have given out here is the normal temperature of the human body is 37 degrees Celsius. And they are asking us here again to change out this temperature in degree Fahrenheit, and in the same question they have to change out in terms of Kelvin. Again, make use of this formula. In place of C, you write down 37. 37 upon 5 is equal to F minus 32 upon 9. Okay, directly if you want, you can able to cross multiply out the numbers. 9 sevens are 63, carry over 6. 9 threes are 27 and 6, that is 33, is equal to, this 5 will be multiplied to both the numbers here, F minus 32. So you write down 5 outside the bracket. Multiply this 5 to both the numbers. This will be equal to 5F minus 160. In the next step, take this 160 on the left hand side. This is 333 plus 160 is equal to 5F. Now what is this? 3 plus 0 is 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. And this is 4 is equal to 5F. So what is the value of F here? 493 divided by 5. Cancel out the number. 5 9s are 45. Then again 43, 5 8s are 40, 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. So the 37 degrees Celsius is equal to 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. If the same temperature we have to change out in terms of Kelvin, so what we will be doing? The temperature whatever it is given in degree Celsius, to this number you add out here 273. Add out the number. 7 plus 3 is 10, carry over 1. 7 and 3. Here this is 310 Kelvin. This is the conversion of degree Celsius into Fahrenheit and Kelvin scale. Now let us do one more question in which the Fahrenheit scale has to be changed out into degree Celsius. Same formula you have to use out here. What is the difference here? Let me take out one example. It is being given convert 5 degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. Make use of the same formula. In place of F, now you write down 5. Write down the same formula, C upon 5. In place of F, I am writing here 5. 5 minus 32 upon 9. Now cross multiply the terms. What happened here? 9C is equal to, this 5 will be multiplied to the number. This is 5 into, and 5 minus 32 is minus 27. So 9C is equal to minus 5 7s are 35, carry over 3. 5 2s are 10 and 3 is 13. So what is the temperature in Celsius scale? Minus 135 upon 9. This is equal to 9. How many times it will be going? 15. So C is equal to minus 15 degree Celsius. If the temperature is given in degree Fahrenheit, we have converted out the temperature into degree Celsius by using the same formula. What is the change here? In place of F, you have to substitute the value of the F that is given in the question. Let me explain one more question of the same type in which we have to convert out degree Fahrenheit into Celsius scale. Next example, let us take over here. Minus 40 degree Fahrenheit, you have to convert out into degree Celsius. Apply the same formula. In place of F, you write down minus 40. C upon 5 is equal to minus 40 minus 32 upon 9. What happened here? C upon 5 is equal to minus 72 upon 9. Now what happened? 9 ones are 9 8s are. So C upon 5 is equal to minus 8. That is C is equal to 5 into minus 8. That is C is equal to minus 40 degree Celsius. This is the answer. When the temperature is being given here in degree Fahrenheit, we have converted out that temperature into Celsius scale using the same formula. C upon 5 is equal to F minus 32 upon 9. Now in this chapter we will be doing one more topic which is based on thermos flask. What is thermos flask? Thermos flask is a device in which the transfer of heat by conduction, convection and radiation is reduced to a minimum. Hence it keeps the contents in it at the same temperature for a long time. Now black and dull surfaces also will be reading out in this temperature. What is the black surface? Black and dull surface, they are absorbers of heat. They are absorbing more radiations, while white and shiny surfaces, they are they reflect out more radiation. Now students, I hope this topic is clear to you. I want you people to please do the revision of all the numericals and read out the chapter once. Thank you for joining the class here.